Did you know running marathons doesn't just make you fit, it literally rebuilds your bones stronger? Here's the mind-blowing science behind it. When you run long distances, every foot strike triggers your bones to adapt and become denser through a process called osteogenic adaptation. But the benefits go far beyond your skeleton. Your brain gets a serious upgrade too, as increased blood flow stimulates the growth of new brain cells, leading to sharper thinking and better mental clarity. The key to unlocking these benefits lies in smart recovery. Getting 79 hours of sleep lets your bones rebuild stronger, while proper nutrition, especially calcium and vitamin D, supports this regeneration process. Studies show runners who prioritize recovery experience up to 20% better bone density improvements compared to those who don't. Think running is just about cardio. Think again. Your bones and brain are transforming with every mile. If you're ready to start your running journey,